Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we did a model of fatigue analysis over a steel specimen or a steel part here. Typically in our website we use Paris law to model the cyclic lighting. We're using direct cyclic step in Abaqus. Under the sum cycle we could see the damage which is happened based on the damage law for the Paris model. But here I use the hysteresis energy model in the Abaqus. You can find information about theory of that, considering damage initiation and damage evolution based on the cycle and defining the equation for that. But here, let me make it free. See here, if I click on this, you can see if I click on damage, sorry, you can see the damage happen. See here, we have a problem with the deformation here. If I check the cycle, okay, I modified, I use a huge value 1, it is the normal, and see here the damage which is happened, see, under the cyclic loading with hysteresis uh, law. Let me use a little bit. See here, this is the damage which is happened as the cyclic loading here. See, in each cycle, for instance, we can consider the step frame. See, in the cycle 25, here we have the damage here like this. We can check, for instance, the stiffness degradation also for it in the packet in the cycle 8, cycle 15, cycle 22, cycle 27, and cycle 13, or you can increase that to cycle 17 to consider the full damage here. Also the displacement or anything else you can use. You can see it here, or instead this, or the stress as the another factor here. In the cycle 25, cycle 20, in each cycle you can check it for the hysteresis model, and you can use also draw the uh, hysteresis diagram by using this. For instance, history output reaction force, uh, for the upper side or bottom side, no problem. You can request, for instance, some plot. See, this is the force, and you can also draw the displacement for a point at the top and end of the model to draw the force displacement or hysteresis diagram, no problem. But here, consider this, we use the hysteresis energy model to consider the fatigue in the steel part here. There is another way, that's the Paris law, you can use that, that's a routine. And here, this is the another way that you can use the fatigue. See here, under the cyclic loading for this specimen, under the cyclic displacement at the end and the top. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website, find English tutorial here, click on the title, then you will have the geometry step interaction load and the definition of the model, and then the result as the figures. Consider that in the model you should make this as the auto compute. If you use that, it shows, for instance, the huge value. See, apply, see, this is the huge value, but use the auto compute value, and then here you can provide CAE, INP, and English video file and reference as the Abaqus documentation file. for 26 euros. You can use a PayPal, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. We have also here a full package of Abaqus containing more than 400 tutorials to learn all things in Abaqus, analysis, simulation, and modeling, everything. You can read here main title, subtitles about explosion, impact, welding, biomechanics, forming, cracks, soil, CFD, fluid structure, interaction analysis, thermal or thermal structure simulation, cyclic loading, masonry, discrete element method, pull-out test, composite material, concrete, steel structure, seismic loading, anything. You can find anything here just for 230 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for that also. Again, contact me to this mail to get more information. Thank you for your attention.